we said, this is a wing and a prayer. So we had roofs on wings. Here it is, and that became our initiative. We've handled one new roof for a homeowner in need of one way, shape, or form every 3 months, and this is no different than that. This is a retired fireman from Ocean City who was injured, fell ill, and in need of help. He's had a tarp on his roof for over 4 years, systemic rot and damage throughout. So we'll be replacing the sheathing, multiple rafters, the gutters, the fascia board. There's just a lot of inherent problems throughout the house here, and it's just a pleasure to be able to take care of that. As we've had people from the fire department, media, and different people from other walks here see this project, most comments are, "Wow, that looks so bad," and it's something that is every day for us. We install 2 to 3 roofs a day, and a third of those roofs are either extremely old and falling apart, where they need rafter work and they've had systemic rot throughout. But another third of those projects are actually roofs that are less than 7 years old. This week alone, we've installed 2 roofs on homes that are less than 5 years old. So my background started in historic renovations, moved on from that into general contractor work, where we started additions and we got into some finer work with kitchens and interior remodeling. Shortly after that, Sandy came along and we started doing a lot of demolition work and then new construction. We elevated about 24 homes and we built about 36 more. And what we saw through all of that was such a vast amount of contractors flooding the state, chasing the storms and the problems. And we realized that to really make an impact and become better, we had to focus on one specific area. Blessed is the only word I can think of when it comes to the people that we work with every day. From our estimators to our office manager to our project managers, this is something that every person in our company donates over 5 hours a month to one of the initiatives of charities that we work with. And I can't say just how blessed it is to work with such an awesome group of people that are willing to do such a thing. Again, each person, over 5 hours a month, and usually it's double that, if not more. And they actually take their time, come out and help us, help other people, take care of the community that has really helped us in such an awesome way.
Surf and turf, roofs on wings.